wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best pool cover reels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. An affordable option for pools less than 5 meters wide. The Aqua Splash 16 foot is backed by a 3-year warranty, but that doesn't include the nylon straps in its blanket attachment kit, which can start disintegrating after 1 year of sun and chlorine. It's made with telescopic aluminum tubing in a rib-blocking design that prevents sagging. However, note that casters are not included. At number 5, rated to support 8 and 12 mm blankets, the treaded tires on the Sun to Solar 20 foot make moving it as simple as rolling a wheelbarrow, while operating it is made equally easy thanks to a gear-driven crank system. It comes with a 5-piece aluminum shaft, a stainless steel frame, and a 5-year limited warranty. Coming in at number 4 on our list. Designed for above-ground installations, the GLI Pool Products Whirlwind can be mounted directly to your pool's top railing, stretching across the center of it while it's blanketed and easily swinging out of the way when you want to swim. It's a structural aluminum construction with self-lubricating nylon bearings. It can also be mounted on 4x4 posts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cover reels, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. While Velcro attachment systems are prone to detaching spontaneously, the straps for the Vingli 21-foot roller clip into its slotted aluminum shaft, creating a secure connection that will last. This model fits pools between 18 and 21 feet wide. It includes a 1-year warranty, stainless steel legs, and 8-inch tires that are better than casters. At number 2, the Rockies Reel Systems 3A accommodates covers up to 20 feet wide and 45 feet long. Its 3-inch 12-sided anodized steel shaft won't sag under load, and the baked enamel finish on its die-cast aluminum components makes them durable and helps them resist the elements. It's equipped with a spring-loaded locking anchor system and 2-inch locking casters, and is backed by a 10-year warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, the Pool Boy powered reel plugs into any 115-volt GFCI outlet, automatically removing or replacing solar blankets at the touch of a button. Its 12-volt motor, powered by an internal step-down transformer, is controlled by a waterproof remote control. It offers a maximum coverage of 20 by 40 feet and includes a 40-foot power cord. There's no need for anchoring, it won't tip. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cover reels, or simply click beneath this video.